It's not bad.
I'm surprised. Let's say shocked.
I don't feel like she's spinning that hard enough. Do you guys? Mount Washington. On the way to Mount Washington, we are going to stop at Flume Gorge, which is canyon, wooden walkways hanging off the side of the cliff, waterfalls. It looks really cool. I think it looks good. We'll see you guys first thing in the morning. It will be 500 and something miles round trip for us, and we're going to do it all in like a little over 24 hours. I'm starving. Do you order hamburgers? Mm-hmm. Bacon?
Yes.
Cheddar? Mm-hmm. Sweet potato fries?
Uh-huh.
Sweet.
All the good stuff.
What did you get? Same thing?
Pretty much the same thing without the bacon.
Nice. About half mile in?
Yeah.
I'm just regretting my decision to eat all of my hamburger and fries.
You think you're planning a lot. You're only half mile in.
This is super cool. I mean, like really cool. You love it? It's awesome. I don't even know if you guys can hear me. It's so loud in here. So Elle and I were just walking out. We looked at the time. It's getting a little late in the day. If we drive all the way to Mount Washington, we're going to be kind of late setting up our tent. But we were thinking instead of heading over to Cannon through the notch here and take the tram up like we did this winter and check it out during the summer. We were just specking out some of the trails we skied down. It's kind of interesting. They look way more scary without snow on them.
So scary.
Well, we're taking a rim trail something. I think there's a view over here in this direction, so let's go see what it looks like. Yeah, Loon's right off over there. Right there. But we've been having a really good time just beating around here. Little ski area. No snow. Guess they don't let you up this way either. Oh, I'm standing on the edge of a precipice. So we're taking a shortcut to the top. Gotta find a path. You can see it's all torn up from other people walking through here. Turns out the path was right over our shoulder. We just had to go around the corner. So we have steak, adobo seasoning, a little bit of olive oil. It's been salted. 24 hours this has been marinating. We got some organic taco wraps, a little bit of cilantro, and some cheese. A little fresh cilantro. That is a tree trunk of cilantro.
So much for not feeding the bears.
Bears don't eat cilantro. All right, there you go.
Ooh. That hits the spot.
Ella loves steak. You guys need some? When Mark went down into those trees, we got like lost, and then we had to set up base camp.
That was great setting a base camp with the ski sticking up. People were looking at us so funny though.
It was. We decided we don't want to cook breakfast, and we're gonna go get ourselves some breakfast, and then we're going to Mount Washington to finish off this journey.
Yes.
And this highway up here is pretty cool, so there's supposed to be some really good lookouts. So right after breakfast, we're gonna hit this. How are you feeling about this? She's super
I'm just
hungry.
excited for food, to be honest.
So there's supposed to be a really cool lookout up here, and there's supposed to be a waterfall. So we're gonna continue ripping up these roads within the speed limit and go check those out. These things are cool. So the rocks get in here, and when the water's really high and like comes around, it rolls the rocks and it digs a hole. So Ella, if there's snow at the top that we can get in, it's a snowball fight, or I'm throwing you in it.
Absolutely.
So we're at the 4,000 foot mark. We've got all the way up there to go. It's just letting the Mini cool down a little bit. We hit third gear a few times. We were ripping. And I'm not saying how fast we were going. She's a little toasty.
Poor Minnie.
I know. Good thing there's snow right here.
There's snow right there. I don't think that's package.
All right, we're gonna head up. Oh! Alright guys, we had a lot of fun in New Hampshire. This is my first time here to Mount Washington, but we skied Cannon and Flume before, so we wanted to get back to that area and just experience it during the summer. It's funny to see things without snow on them.
Totally, like it's a completely different world around here, but
Totally.
it's not white.
Thanks for watching this week. If you want to check us out skiing over at Cannon over here, and we'll catch you in the next one, guys. Take it easy.